Hey y'all. So this week's market. Whew, what a crazy wild ride it's been. Sorry for the lighting condition. I'll work on that later on. It's not about me, it's about the money, isn't it? Okay, so Bitcoin right now, what are we looking at? 55,000, somewhere in there. $55,721 for Bitcoin UST token, and then Bitcoin USDC is 55,856. So it's pretty phenomenal. Litecoin doing quite exceptionally. I hope that y'all took my advice and bought it. It is down today, but trust, it'll be back. It's tied in with other DeFi coins, but we'll talk about that in a second. It's just going to be a quick little, like, what? Kind of, most of mine are like, what? So, whatever. Market, crazy stuff happening. Corona, still out there. Outside those windows there, apparently. I go out, but it doesn't, I don't know. So, the market, it's out of control. It's completely crazy, but it's up. It's going. And here's Ethereum. We're going to break $2,000 probably this weekend, maybe Monday, Tuesday. Just remember, a couple weeks ago, this was $250. I said, wow, look at that. Y'all probably ought to buy some. Probably going to hit 1,000. I never knew it was going to get to 2,000. What? Yeah. Expected change there. It's tied in. The DAI has been doing a little bit of weirdness, but nothing super crazy. Wow. Yeah, so as far as they're all tied together, the movement has been across the board up. There are a few fluctuations with some down shots. The ester has held around 1953. We've had quite a few transactions. The gas has held around 138, which is $5.66. If you don't know what that means, read up on it. Subscribe to somebody's newsletter. I don't have time for all that. I work for a living. I wish I'd win a contest and win a Bitcoin or 5. Or find that lost hard drive with all those Bitcoins on it. Today's winners: Ren coin, 39.44%. Now this is Bitcoin. I mean, not Bitcoin, excuse me, Coinbase winners. That we're going to look at another market platform in a minute that has a lot more DeFi on it. The experimental currency, decentralized. Dash did really well. Civic, Bitcoin, Chainlink, Wrap Bitcoin, but Wrap Bitcoin, of course, is going to do well because it's tied in with Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's on an upward sling. Yes, there's probably going to be a course correction in a couple of weeks, but I still think we're going to see $60,000 by the end of March, if not more. Yeah, so let's take a look at the losers. The losers on Coinbase are BNT, GRT. I'm surprised about GRT too. I expected it not to lose like this. It has a market cap of $2.7 billion, for God's sake. Uniswap, Balancer, and NuCypher all lost big time this week. Today. This is today. Sorry. Now, if we look at the week, it kind of almost the same ones for the week. We'll go back to the winners. Same ones for the week, basically. That Ren, I suggest buying that. Strong buy at $1.66 still. Maybe you wait and see if it fluctuates in the next few days. Here, let's take a quick look at it. So the Ren over the past year has done this. Its all-time high before now was a whopping 57 cents. And then it hit a 75-cent mark back in January 20th. And since then, it's made it all the way up to where it is now. Maybe you wait until it falls back around 92 cents. And buy a couple of shares. 25 shares. What is it? It's going to cost you 25 bucks. And I really feel you'll get a return on that within 90 days. All right. These are some DeFis that we're watching. We're looking at 7-day changes over the last 7 days on these coins. Terra Luna, 16%. Day, 5.5%. Pancake, 219. I've got a little chunk of this. That's a 49% increase. Venus, XVS, that's up 164%, which is 19% overall. The Bancor was down a little bit today, but overall, 7-day, they're up 73%. The Dodo was up 165. Auto was up 346. 96% on Trust Swap. Frontier, 292. Wow. Yeah, so there have been some incredible changes out there on these coins. And Unit Protocol, of course, pulling in with just under 100 at 97. I really thought, I mean, we had an 11% loss today, but I really thought Duck was going to break 40 cents this week, but I guess she's not going to do it. She's had a hard time this week. She might even make it off this list. But right now, this is my DeFi watch list. Carolina, DAI, Pancake Swap, Venus, Bancor, Frontier, Trust Swap, Auto, Dodo, Aura, and Duck's still on there. She's a week on there. I mean, my God, DAI. The only reason it's on there is because I have a soft spot for the project. The DeFi market, US dollars, the total value has jumped this week from 10-ish billion to 40-ish billion, which is considerable. I really think we need to keep our eye on this. There will be a course correction. Don't worry, that's coming. If you don't know what decentralized finance is, that's what DeFi is. It's an experimental form of finance. It does not rely on central financial intermediaries such as brokerage exchanges or banks that offer traditional financial instruments, and instead utilizes small contracts on blockchains, the most common being Ethereum. DeFi platforms allow people to lend or borrow funds from others, speculate on price movements on a range of assets, including derivatives, trade cryptocurrency, insure against risk, and earn interest in savings-like accounts. Some DeFi applications promote high interest rates, but are subject to high risk. By October 2020, over $11 billion was deposited in various decentralized financial protocols, which represents more than a tenfold growth during the course of 2020. And as of January 2021, approximately $20.5 billion is invested in DeFi, so that's a pretty significant jump. That's why I keep talking about it. So I'm going to leave y'all with that. A little bit of fun. Decrypt, I enjoy their writing. Most of their people actually show a level of intelligence in their stories, and they must have Grammarly, because I find very little grammatical mistakes on this site. There are a couple of authors that, but when it comes to crypto, they know what they're talking about, and I don't give a shit if they get their MS, R, was, were, be, big bins all in the right places. If I understand what they're saying, it's good enough for me. And then for fun, this site here, Freebook Queen, I'll put my link up so y'all can click it if you want to. That way we both get a couple of little extra points. Every hour you can come to the bottom of this. You see I've got 26 minutes, and you can click, and it will allow you have to click the caption, and it will allow you to get some free bit, what they call Bitco, whatever. It's their little thing, but it's a portion of Bitcoin. Is technically what they are doing. They have contests and all sorts of things. You can go to this multiplayer and you can bet high, you can bet low. So here, let's go down to 1. I'm gonna do 2. I'm gonna bet 2 of these. What do you think? High or low, y'all? Low? Okay, we go low. Oh, I lost. Look, I lost those 2. Let's bet low again. Hey, I got them back. You wanna bet low again? Hey, I lost them. You wanna bet low again? Hey, I lost them. Oh, hey, I got them back. I'm gonna hold it 20. And you also have a way to enter a contest over here, and every time you click that, it gives you Game of Fortune. Oh, it might be the other one. There's so many things. It's the lottery. Sorry. Every time you click that, it gives you a lottery ticket. I have 99 lottery tickets. No cost to me. All this is free. I haven't paid it out. It goes into this contest. This contest will be over in a day and 15 hours, and somebody will win that little bit of money. That right there is like $7 of Bitcoin. But that right there, like $500 or $600. Wait a minute. Let's find out how much that is. That's $5,632. So that's not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Oh, I should have been able to do the math on that. That's a 1, so 1 divided by 10. Some days I worry about myself, y'all, so I don't need y'all worry about me, too. Today's background music was brought to you by YouTube, and it's Tibetan meditation music, relaxing music, healing music, chakras, yoga, sleep, spa, study 3604. My gosh. By the Yellow Brick Cinema. Look at her. Look at her. Anybody that's going to name their shit back. But she's got 9,000 people like it. I like it. You see, I do not subscribe to her. We'll wait and see how we feel about her later. And of course, I use Twitch. I don't know if any of y'all do or not, but there's your market cap for the week. Y'all, my God, if you don't have any money in crypto, for the Lord's sake, reach out to me. I'll tell you how to do it. Let me see if I can find my stupid little thing here to refer y'all. Maybe y'all use my stupid referral link. Oh my Lord, such a busy site. This site reminds me of a 1990s, 2000 era site where you had all these crazy things going on. Oh yeah, earn probably. Right. Oh, refer. Look at that. They are so smart. They have got it up on the screen. So, yeah, there's my referral link. Y'all copy that down and grab it on up and pop it into your browser there. Pop on over there and do that thing. Click them things and click them other things. There's a lot going on this page. But, you know, if you click them all, who knows, shit, you might win a little Bitcoin. If you do, for God's sake, please tip me. I ain't asking for much. I mean, golly, just a little smidgen. If everybody's seen a little smidgen, I could probably buy me a little, I don't know. Meg, what do you want me to buy you? Come on, get up here and say hey to everybody. Meg, she's one of the mascots of the show. Come on, they can't see you. Look, yeah, there she is. Here, let's tilt it down a little bit. Hey there, girl. That's my girl. That's a little crypto girl from a Good Luck Crypto Dog, ain't you? Good Luck Crypto Dog. So yeah, you know, if you don't want to tip me no crypto, you know what? You can tip my dog some crypto, and I'm gonna buy her a collar with it. She likes collars. She don't have one on right now. She's naked. But sometimes she has pretty little collars on. She likes Vans, like checker patterns and stuff, because she's white and it goes against her. And then she has a sister downstairs who's a big black dog. And what? What do you want to say? She wants to say something, y'all. You think crypto's a good investment? Yeah. All right, y'all. Have a good weekend. I may be back tomorrow. I may not. I don't know. It's a crazy world we live in. I love you. Thank you for watching. I mean that. You've made it this far. Wow. Congratulations. Not many people do. Subscribe wherever you found me at. Send me an email, a comment. I appreciate all those. Peace out.